What have you learned about choosing a good partner?
Sometimes you're running and the other one's walking. And it's okay to be ahead, but don't lose sight. Don't get so far ahead that you leave your mate lost back there going, sometimes, somebody's real healthy, the other one's on IR. Oh, still on the same team. That takes patience by the one who's healthy and takes persistence by the one who's on IR. But you gotta wait up to hold that hand to go, we're still doing this together. Even though maybe in this zone right now in my life, I'm flying and you're walking. So certain things that I find, well, she's flying and I'm walking, And so navigating that, how we change as we grow up, and measuring that against who we initially fell for in the first place and seeing, well, they are still that. Of course they changed. Hell, I've changed.